Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program of 14th December 2022. So this briefing is dedicated for yesterday's realized weather warning and forecast for next 5 days. So accordingly, we have mentioned here two highlights. First is that a Belmar low pressure area lies over east central and adjoining southeast Arabian Sea. And second point is the highlight is likely formation of a low pressure area over southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining equatorial Indian Ocean by tomorrow morning, the 15th December 2022. So these are the two highlights. We will discuss before the discussion. Let us first see the realized weather. So minimum temperatures are near normal and in the range of 8 to 10 degrees Celsius over many parts of plains of northwest India. And yesterday, heavy to very heavy rainfall with extremely heavy rainfall at one or two stations reported over Tamil Nadu, and heavy rainfall occurred at isolated places over south central Karnataka. Accordingly, 30 centimeter in the district of Kannur. At the station Kannur in the district of Nilgiri reported 30 centimeter and followed by 16, 15, 14, etc. And in south Indian Karnataka, in Kodagu district, 8 centimeter, one of the stations reported rainfall. Otherwise, light to moderate rainfall reported over other parts of South Peninsular India, including Kerala, South Indian Karnataka, coastal Karnataka, etc. So, these are the synoptic systems prevailing today. As already mentioned in the highlight, that Belmar low pressure area, this is lies over east central and adjoining southeast Arabian Sea, and this is the cyclonic circulation over South Andaman Sea and adjoining areas. And under its influence, a low pressure area is likely to form over southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining equatorial Indian Ocean by 15th December morning. And this is the western disturbance, roughly 68-degree east and 30-degree north. So these are the synoptic systems. We will discuss the forecast of these two systems in detail. So let us start with the forecast of today's Belmar low pressure area. So yesterday it was a low pressure area, and today it is a Belmar low pressure area, and it is very likely to move northwestwards away from India coast and concentrate into a depression over east central Arabian Sea by 15th December morning. And under its influence, since system is moving away from the Indian coast, so no heavy rainfall warning has been issued from for our any of these state. And however, fisherman warning has been issued in connection with this system. So you can see that in Arabian Sea we have mentioned that fishermen are advised not to venture into along and off North Kerala, Karnataka, Goa coast till today afternoon, and over Lakshadweep area till 15th morning, and Southeast Arabian Sea till 15th evening, and over East Central Arabian Sea till 17th morning, and over West Central Arabian Sea 15th morning to 18th December, and Southwest Arabian Sea from 15th morning to 18th December. Accordingly, we have highlighted with different color codes here for the warnings. And accordingly, in the influence of other likely formation of system and cyclone circulation over South Andaman Sea, fisherman warning has been issued for our this South Andaman Sea and adjoining areas for next 3 days. And thereafter, this fisherman warning has been issued for the central parts of South Bay of Bengal on especially on 17. So this is the fisherman warning, and now this is the forecast of other system that I already mentioned. Their cyclone circulation lies over South Andaman Sea and adjoining state of Malacca and Sumatra, extending up to metropolitan levels. And under its influence, a low pressure area likely to form over southeast Bengal and adjoining equatorial Indian Ocean by tomorrow morning, and it is likely to move gradually westward towards Sri Lanka coast. And under its influence, tomorrow heavy rainfall is expected at one or two stations over Nicobar Islands, and fishermen are advised not to venture, as already mentioned, over Andaman Sea from 14th to 15th December, South Bay of Bengal from 14th to 16th December, central parts of South Bay of Bengal on 17th December, and southwest Bay of Bengal adjoining Sri Lanka coast and Gulf of Mannar on 18th December. And as regards minimum temperature, so cold wave conditions likely to prevail over Punjab on 16th and 17th December 2022. So accordingly, this is the minimum temperature forecast. Gradual fall by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius is likely over northwest India during next 2 days, and no significant change thereafter. Gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius in minimum temperature over central India. during the next 2 days, and no significant change thereafter, and no significant change in minimum temperature likely over East India during the next 24 hours, and followed by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius thereafter. And accordingly, these cold wave conditions are expected at one or two stations over Punjab during 15th to 17th December 2022. Accordingly, we have given graphics format. Yellow warning has been issued because of this Syria warning and thunderstorm activity over Kerala, Lakshadweep, Karnataka coast, and Goa coast. And then tomorrow, and this this cold wave conditions has been issued for Punjab, that is during 15th to 17th, and heavy rainfall is given to Nicobar Islands, and wind warning also issued for this our South Andaman Sea for the mentioned period during 14th and 15th of December. So this is all about today's briefing, and you can discuss with another episode. Till then, namaskar.